Visual Studio Code is a source code editor made by Microsoft. In this video, I'll discuss and give a complete review of Microsoft Visual Studio Code along with pros and cons plus many details. Let's get started. What is Microsoft Visual Studio Code? Microsoft Visual Studio Code or VS Code is an open source code editor. It's available for Windows, Linux and Mac OS. Its feature includes support for debugging, syntax highlighting, intelligent code completion, snippets, code refactoring, and embedded Git. It is written in TypeScript, JavaScript, HTML, and CSS. It was first released 6 years ago on April 29, 2015. It can be classed as an IDE, which stands for Integrated Development Environment. IDE means the place where developers can write and test code at the same time. History: VS Code was first announced on April 29, 2015. On November 18, 2015, the source code of VS Code was under the MIT license. Till now, Microsoft has released most of VS Code's source code on GitHub under a permissive MIT license. On April 14, 2016, VS Code graduated from the public review stage and was released to the web. Popularity: VS Code is one of the top popular development tools. There are about 25 million developers worldwide and about 14 million developers use VS Code. The popularity of VS Code increased in the pandemic very highly. In 2021 developers survey, VS Code was ranked number 1 with 70% of the 82,000 using it. It is very popular because being lightweight and fast. Pros of VS Code: number 1, it's completely free. Number 2, it's very easy to use because of its clean interface. Number 3, developers can customize it with extensions that can be installed to enhance the experience. Number 4, it's lightweight, powerful, and quick to load. Number 5, VS Code has suitable packages for all types of coding languages. Number 6, VS Code has a multi-language support feature. It has an inbuilt command prompt, localhost, and live server, which saves much time and helps developers to be more productive. Number 8, it has a cool UI UX with many customization options plus an extensive library of VS Code plugins. Number 9, the Git integration in VS Code is very powerful. Number 10, VS Code has a user-friendly IDE. Cons of VS Code: number 1, one has to install too many extensions for each language. If anyone uses this code editor for coding many languages, it will be slowed down. Number 2, in this platform, the debugging ecosystem isn't that improvised. Number 3, third-party applications are needed for databases in VS Code. Number 4, VS Code consumes high memory while running. Number 5, due to a lot of plugins, VS Code sometimes becomes difficult to manage large projects. Number 6, some plugins are very costly. Rating: according to Capterra, the rating of Visual Studio Code is 4.8 out of 5. According to G2, the rating of Visual Studio Code is 4.7 out of 5. And according to Trustpilot, the rating of Visual Studio Code is 3.5 out of 5. So the rating of Visual Studio Code is between good and excellent. Hope you have enjoyed this video. You can like this video and subscribe to this channel. I have a blog site where I discuss more these contents. You can visit there. The link of the site is given in the description below. You can also like our Facebook page and follow us on Instagram and Twitter. Hope to have a nice and good day. Goodbye.